Welcome to today's episode of Your YouTube Channel Name, where we'll be talking about a dangerous supply chain attack and data harvesting malware recently discovered by a team of cybersecurity researchers. The attack, which goes by the name of Goldison, made its way into as many as 60 different Android apps that users download from the Play Store, One Store, and other sources, spanning from popular apps like Point with LPAY, Swipe Brick Breaker, QM Player to Money Manager Expense and Budget, all the way to the likes of Live Score, Real Time Score, and Pickacast. This attack has the potential to affect over 100 million Android users. Goldison was identified as a privacy-invasive and clicker Android adware, which is capable of clicking on ads in the background, all without user consent. The malware is able to extract data from the targeted phones, the intensity of which boils down to the amount of permissions assigned to each of the affected apps. The researchers from McAfee who discovered Goldison immediately informed Google about the issue, who in turn raised the question to the developers of the infected apps. Most of them acted quickly and removed the malicious content from their apps, while some stayed mum and allowed Google to remove their respective app files. Since the malware has been identified, it's extremely important to update all applications frequently so that all security patches are installed and users are kept safe. And if any of your apps have been removed from the Play Store, it would be best to delete them right away. We're also going to take some time today and discuss the best endpoint protection tools so that you can secure your files and data from malicious attacks in the future, and also talk about steps you can take to stay vigilant. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel for all things related to cybersecurity.